Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change language on Shein. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To get started, make sure you have installed Shein application in your mobile phone, or you can also do the same method from the official website of Shein. But now here I'm using the Shein application. So once you have installed it, go ahead and tap on the Shein application. Now you'll be appear with the Shein homepage, or this type of screen interface will be appeared, and what you can do is tap on the Me option, which is located at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, go ahead and tap on the gear icon, which is located at the top right corner. Now you'll be appear with the Shein settings. Now here are several options. Now what you can do is, in order to change your language, simply tap on language. Here, as you can see, my language is set to English. Now I'd like to change my language on Shein. Let's say I have selected this particular language to change. I don't know which language is this. So once you have done that, wait for a while and refresh your feed. Now as you can see, all my language have been changed on Shein, or as you can see, the language preference on Shein is changed. So this is how it is easy and simple. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.